Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do the dirty work of comparing products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans in the industry. On the left, we have the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8Ks LCD Resin 3D printer, or as I like to call it, the Detail Diva. And on the right, we have the Creality Ender-3 3D printer, aka Speedy McSpeedface. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. In the red corner, we have the Detail Diva priced at $375 USD. And in the blue corner, Speedy McSpeedface at $299 USD. Whoa, Speedy McSpeedface is already throwing punches by being easier on your wallet. But hold your horses, folks. We've got more categories to go through. All right, let's talk resolution. The Detail Diva here boasts the highest resolution on the market with a mind-blowing 22 micrometers. That's like seeing the pores on an ant's face, folks. Meanwhile, Speedy McSpeedface is more about speed than intricate details. If you're a stickler for precision and want every tiny detail, the Diva's got your back. Smooth surfaces all around, they say. The Detail Diva promises up to 50% fewer layer lines. That's smoother than my dance moves at a wedding. On the other hand, Speedy McSpeedface's prints are reliable and versatile. But let's be real. It's not called Smooth McSmoothface after all. The Detail Diva is like your favorite pizza place, compatible with most slicers out there. Whether it's lychee, chitubox, or tango, it's got you covered. And it's super simple to use, beginner-friendly. Speedy McSpeedface, however, is more like a high-tech spaceship. It's got phone control, Wi-Fi, USB drive, auto-leveling, and whatnot. It's like it's from the future, but might need a bit more of a learning curve. Here's where Speedy McSpeedface flexes its muscles. Printing speeds up to 500 millimeters per second with 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's faster than my grandma running to the buffet. The Detail Diva, while precise, doesn't match that speed. Speedy McSpeedface also handles a variety of filaments like a champ: Hyper, PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, you name it. Creality's Speedy McSpeedface also comes with 12-month support and 24-hour after-sales service. If you have a problem, they're like Batman, always there when you need them. The Detail Diva is a bit more like James Bond, sleek, precise, but doesn't come with a hotline to MI6. Reviewers have a lot to say about both these 3D printers. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8Ks is praised for its incredible detail, ease of use, and high print quality, but some users report issues with the resin vat and customer service. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is celebrated for its speed, versatility, and ease of setup, though some users experience technical issues and unhelpful support. Overall, both printers have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different types of users. So there you have it, folks. If you're all about precision and smooth surfaces, the Detail Diva Phrozen Sonic Mini 8Ks is your go-to. But if you're in for speed, versatility, and some high-tech wizardry, Speedy McSpeedface Creality Ender-3 V3 is your best bet. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our product showdowns. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.